Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve adaptive brightness is not working on your Windows 10 computer. So adaptive brightness is a Windows feature that automatically adjusts your screen brightness based on the surroundings ambient light of the content display on the screen. When adaptive brightness isn't working as expected, it can manifest in several ways, such as the screen brightness doesn't change even though the lighting in the room has, the brightness fluctuates erratically, which can be distracting, and brightness automatically dims or brightens when you switch between applications with dark and light backgrounds. And several factors can cause include incompatible or outdated drivers, incorrect power settings, graphics card software, and BIOS/UEFI settings. And then I'll show you troubleshooting steps to fix this problem. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the power troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at troubleshoot settings on right side, and then you need now to select this additional troubleshooters and then click. And then once you open up here at additional troubleshooters here at left side navigation panel, and then you need now to scroll down underneath here at find and fix other problems. Then you need to scroll down and select this power. So all you have to do is to select, and then you can see now this run the troubleshooters. All you have to do is to tap or click and then pop up this power detecting issues. Then we need to wait to complete the initializings and diagnostic process. Okay, so you can see now that troubleshooting has completed. So issues found. So you can see now that all fixed with the green check mark here. And also you can view the detailed informations about these troubleshootings. So here at troubleshootings report, then you can see now all the issues has been completed. If there is an error, then you need to follow the screen instruction to fix this error, and then you need to tap or click this next to proceed. Alright, so after here at troubleshooting settings, and then we need to close. If the error is still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to update your GPU drivers. So all you have to do is to right click on a start menu, and then you need now to select this device manager. And once you open up here at your device manager, and then next step, then you need now to select this display adapter. So click this arrow to expand, and then we need to update this UHD graphics. On how to update, select and then right click, and then you need to tap update driver. In updating driver, so we have the options that you want to select, either search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. So we need to select this search automatically and then click, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after here at device manager, and then we need to close again. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to tweak video playback settings. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open Windows settings. And then once you open up here at your Windows settings, and then you need now to select this apps tab. So all you have to do is to click, and then once you open up here at your apps settings, and here at left side navigation panel, and then you need now to select this video playback. So all you have to do is to click, and then on right side here at video playback, then you need to scroll down. So underneath here at automatically process video to enhance it. So if this option is already enabled, then we need to switching it off instead. So you can see this button, then we need to toggle this button to left corner, and it's already turned off. Alright, so once you're done here, and then we need to close, and then we need to restart by clicking this power button here to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.